State asida lairiba unaided private schools sing Challaibagi Maong Matouda Manipur Commission for Protection of Child Rights Mcpcr na Nungnangba Phongdokkhre loinana Parents Guardians Committee amasung Councillor hapnanaba school singda Khangankre. Commission asigi chairperson Kaisam Pradeep Kumar thadurakiba cherolamagi matungina tongan ba mafam singda lairiba unaided private school singda yengsiluba matamda school sing Challaibagi Maong Matouda asoiba kaya lairama thengnare. Right of Children to Free and Compulsory Education Act 2009 gi makhada school amada laifam thokpa pupil teacher ratio PTR laitaba classroom amada mahiroi marifudagi maftra fawba phamanduna oja ama khaktana takpi tambiba kaya thengnare thawong asina mahiroi singning thina mahi tamba fangandabaga loinana makhoi haksang amasung pungning wakhalda sound akaiba pire sahi nauriba mahiroi singda Serak pibagi matang da faladuna commission hai athingba thamlabasu mahirui singda corporal punishment piba masung bullying gi thaudok singna mahirui singda pungning wakhalda chaun nungnang halle haiba nungai handre haiba fibam thengnare masigi matakta counselor sing haptabana matam sana mahirui singda counseling piba ngamdre NEP 2020 gi matung ina mahirui sing takpi tambiba matamda makhogi pungning wakhal Phata hangadaba amasung nungai hannaba thabak laukhatpam thoi adubu school kayada asigomba phibam leiramdaba si laibak thibani. Commission hai Right of Children to Free and Compulsory Education Act 2009 na piba kangun singi matungina school singda Parent Guardian Committee leitabana school da kari tauribagi haiba khangma ngamdre amasung school gi thabak thoram singning thina sakhwat anaba honabada mama mapa sing saruk yahanba ngamdre. Hausisu unaided private school ayamada hairiba association asil leite maram sadana mahirui singda transfer certificate piba mahirui amagi asoiba semdoknabagi matam pidana transfer certificate hektamak piraga tanthokpa haibase lona yadaba thawongne maramaduna PTR amasung infrastructure norm sing ngangna satkadabani. Parents Guardian Committee Regulatory amasung grievances redressal committee thamgadabani counselor sing hapkadabani child rights amasung discipline gi matangda orientation program pangthokadabani amadi departmental monitoring mechanism kankhan angadabani haina commission na unaided private school sing da khangali commission na school sing da piriba directive sing asi ngangna salaidibara haiba yengsinbaga loinana madubu indaba school sing gi matakta subsabe excel lakhotkani su hairi.